So I washed the garden eggs and the pepper too. Your palm oil, your onion. It doesn't require a lot of onion. Stir, let it fry a little to extract the taste of the onion. Then you put pepper. Then the locust beans, dried locust beans. Then now I'm going to add my chopped garden egg. I chopped it to smaller bits like this. Very beautiful. I'll stir it. Mix it well. Mix it very well. Yes, if you like, you can add tomato, but like I don't really like fresh tomato in this type of food, and I wouldn't want to add artificial tomato, so I let it to boil a little. Then I added my cube seasoning, homemade curry. My mom makes this curry that I'm about to add now. Yeah, homemade curry. You can use any other spice you have. Yeah, yeah, you can use normal curry though. Then I'll add my salt to taste. Depends on the quantity that you're making. Don't even know the measurement to see, but yeah. Then I'll stir it very well, mix it well. Then I'm going to add a little water after stirring it. Stir. Then a little water. Just a little. Then I'll stir it again. Then I'll cover it to simmer for some while. Yeah, so now it's very ready. Like, it's ready. Wow, nice. It's ready. So I'm going to be serving it with potato, boiled potato. Like, I boiled the potato with the back. Then after it cools down, I'll remove the back of the potato. Yeah, you can serve it with anything you want, rice, yam, anything. So this is what it should look like. So guys, like and subscribe, drop a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.